Pamela, tsaka libre, tsaka lahat. Pero
The
maraming
road to
salamat po
1,000,
yan.
bro.
Ang Clear Head Super Fan of the Day. Hindi Clear Head kasi hindi ka naman kalbo. Pero Clear Head Super Fan of the Day. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa MPL Arena at hopefully ma-enjoy mo lalo. Mamaya, gamitin mo yan pag uwi mo.
Ang Clear Head nga, no? Simple lang.
Okay,
Binagyan naman ni Kyle eh. Plug, kalbo ka daw, plug. Paano yan? Paano yung count niya?
Yun na eh. Pero, para magawa nila yun, kailangan makuha nila yung serie na. Diba? Nagawa nila naman kanina, yung team intros.
Yes.
But for Falcons, I think, aside from that, there should be a deeper sense of, kung saan nila huhugutin yung kanilang lakas. Because, you're right, in game number 1, they tried everything they could at some point. Pero laging may sagot yung Twisted Minds. Ano kung pwede nalang gawin for game 2?
First of all, kailangan nilang i-clear yung heads nila dito in a way na parang hindi dapat sila ma-affect on yung first game because they played well in the specific moments na kailangan maglaro sila na maayos. They planted well. Maganda naman yung idea nila dito, but they just were, talagang nag-wersa lang sila ng Twisted Minds. Isang desisyon lang talaga eh. Parang kung hindi sila nag-overstay with sa purple top player, they could have won the game easily.
So probably you're talking about consistency at this point. Diba? Na ano yung galaw mo? If you're 100% right from the start, you need to be 100% up until the end.
Exactly. Siguro, and when it comes to some adjustments, take away siguro yung Kimi or siguro.
Ibang klase talaga yung Kimi ni Sean kanina. And actually, sobrang commendable pa rin talaga yung ginawa ng Falcons, especially for protecting Super Marco. Unfortunately, naging halimaw lang din sa dulo si Natsu eh. Pero meron tayo dangerous grass para sa game number 2.
Alam mo, ito yung sinasabi ng mga players na parang ito yung pinaka siguro challenge para sa kanila. If they would prefer at least one, that would be dangerous grass. Dahil ito yung pinakasanay sila, they have more options, but at the same time, it kind of makes it a challenge kasi magkakaroon din ng mas maraming options yung kanilang kalaban. But looking at the draft as of the moment, quite similar pa rin yung nakikita natin ng mga fans for the first 3 and 2 na Falcons and Twisted. Pero ito ang iba, it's gonna be the backshot na tatanggalin ng Twisted Minds.
So this also calls for Jushin para sa Falcons. Basta sa mga favorite nila na i-prioritize. Wala din naman sila kailangan i-worry because the Lancets already found out. The worst that could happen is kumuha ng Hayabusa puso dito yung Twisted Minds. To answer that, usually okay, so the only problem here is wala silang trade for the Frederick kung sakaling Frederick ang muna yung Twisted Minds. However, this time, Twisted Minds, they don't have access to the Akalea.
What the hell?
Ang usually pinaprioritize nila dito is Kimi versus the Jushin. Martin Duck, lapo-lapo siguro.
So pwede sila maging agresibo ngayon. So pwedeng lapu-lapu para kay Kuya Lansu. Apalong-apalong pa rin siya sa likuran. Pero I love the idea na binaldan nga nila Coach Trevor dito yung Kalea. Since matik na nagpa-prioritize kasi ang Twisted Minds.
I'm literally about to hit max level and not have ancient archives of
Yun yung pinakakailangan isipin ng kalaban. Pero iba ang pinili dito ng Twisted.
They're gonna go a different route here. You were talking about the Frederick, pero mag-iiba sila yung tanky hero. It's gonna be the Uranus. Atin mo na.
Oh.
Maganda rin dito actually.
Freeze it,
Balik yung Frederick dito sa Falcons. Really liking this combination. Pero baka kunin na yung Granger. Tingin ko...
Did not freeze it here, bro.
Matagal bago kasi bago bumalik ba yung dalawang picks yung Twisted Minds tapos meron pa silang dalawang fans that can actually prevent that from happening. Another option is Arnold dahil Arnold is a good option.
Oh, yes.
Can be flexed dun sa
It's gonna put me like one level away from
and then sa
1,000.
Twisted Minds. Feel like Kimi ang pwede mag-isa dito. I really like yung opening nila sa Yusachin as well as this Uranus. Kasi
The power of the heavens are nearing.
That first time pa siya dito po.
999. Come on, one more fish. One more mythic. One more mythic.
This is different take doon sa Kimi kanina.
One more mythic, come on, bro.
But other than that, who do you think can
Come on.
Kimi, or should I
Just
say
one
that
more
Kimi
mythic is
would
fine.
provide in this situation?
Na-iba no? So,
Iba.
ganda sa mga ganda Guys, it's
Okay.
decent laner versus this Jushin.
The power of the heavens are nearing.
Encountered
Come on.
si Jushin way before. At the same
I have
time,
the perfect catch.
ayaw ni Fred
Oh!
na kumalaban sa isang hero.
It's time.
Ang daming mga slows, you have that control, tapos kung mag-box type strategy ka, maka-counter mo pa.
Level
Binobolster din.
1000.
Sa kanilang third and
Finally.
Actually,
Seraphic Rod.
personally, when it comes to
Where is that?
going up against an Eve,
Oh,
or
boo.
actually kahit nga pag si Burrito yung gumamit ng Eve, na nakakayamot na sa Eve,
You are
yung
joking.
super skill niya, yung pokes na nagagaling dun sa Eve. So technically, para ka lang din may healing.
Dude, finally.
Ay, meron pang shield. So, this is
Gonna farm
again
him
a
now.
challenge for Falcons.
Goodbye.
Paano nila